All right, hey, come on. Go straight. Okay.
Yeah, I got turned in. Won my quad.
Oh.
Oh. Drive up the road.
What?
Drive up the road.
Why?
Yes, so you can show people how good you drive. Okay, go. Driving all by himself. He's a big boy. Watch out, watch where he's going though. Hey, you gonna, yeah, whoa! You almost threw me off, buddy. Okay, turn. Hey, don't do that. No more. Hey!